Hello everyone. So today I'm going to tell you about the Microsoft AI Classroom series, which is going to start today and it is absolutely free. So there are certain emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, data science, and augmented reality. So those all topics would be taught in all these modules. And this is going to be in association with NASCOM, Future Skills, and it is supported by GitHub. Okay, so these online classes will be delivered through multiple sessions at no cost, and it is open for all the IT professionals. And these are going to be very easy to learn, and they include demos as well as hands-on workshop along with assignments. So if you scroll down to this URL, so if you go to this page, www.microsoft.com, over there you will be able to see all the AI series that they are going to start, and it is going to start from today and it would end on 24th of October. So within a short span of time, it is going to be there, and you can see all the speakers. They are very well known to all of us, and they come up from a big IT companies. So very knowledgeable sessions these are going to be, and you can see uh, you can attend AI classroom series. You can choose the time slot. So there are multiple modules: data science basics and introduction to Microsoft AI platform. Along with, then the second module is about machine learning models on Azure. Then you have got a module on cognitive services. So this would be there from today, October 19 to October 24. So you would be able to, once you click on this time slot, so you would be able to see the registration form, and it would be visible to you in this manner, right? So you just have to fill all these fields, and they have also given the pre-read material. That is, you have to read this material before you attend the session, just to make sure that you are able to get more clarity on the topic that they are going to cover. Okay, so first of all, you have to attend the AI classroom series. Then you have to take the online assessment as well. And then you can update your AI skills on the social media platform as well. Okay, so you can register now itself to enroll yourself. And as you can see, the time slots have already got started with the sessions. And people who are doing part-time jobs can also enroll themselves based on the various time slots available. So there is a flexibility in the time slots that you can see over here. So you need to attend all the modules to get a free certificate, right? So each module would be of the duration of 2.5 hours. So first 2 hours would be the knowledge transfer. It would be related to the session. Next 30 minutes, you can ask the doubts to the people, to your lecturer. And then, as you can see, there will be also the examination that would be conducted, and you can see all the certification related information over here at this tab. And there are going to be yeah, so as we discussed, the course modules is of 2.5 hours each. Okay, so you need to clear the assessment with a minimum of 80% and above. So that means you are going to have a 30 questions assessment round, and out of 30 you need to score more than 20, greater than or equal to 20. Okay, so you will be able to get 3 attempts to clear this assessment, and the assessment link will be live from 26th October to 10th of November. So this certificate will be a joint certificate that would be offered by Microsoft and NASCOM. And you can also share your certificate on social media websites like Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and you can tag with the hashtag always learning. So this curriculum, this course, this initiative that has been started by Microsoft, and they are going to train approximately 1 million of students over 12 months. So don't miss this opportunity, as this is going to be a very useful in not only in building your career, but it would also help you to gain the knowledge. Also, this certificate, if you add it to your CV, or your resume, then it would carry a good value also. So it would help you to get a good job as well. And it is going to be there from today, starting today, October 19 to October 24, 2020. And the assessment would be starting from October 26. Okay. Now let's say I have taken this example of one of the module one, that is pertaining to data science basics and introduction to Microsoft AI platform, right? So so you can register over here, and what are all the details that are going to cover into this module would be listed over here. This is the module outline. What are the topics they are going to cover? And this is the material that you need to read before you attend the session. So it would be helpful for you. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe the channel and please like, share and comment on this video more and more so all the IT professionals can get the benefit of it. Thank you for your time. Stay tuned for more videos.